Hello and welcome once again. We are back again with new set of tutorials, and in this series we are going to teach you about Jenkins pipelines. So let us first see how to install Jenkins on your machine, and then we'll be starting with some basic jobs, and then we'll be starting about pipelines. So installation of Jenkins is very easy. You need to go to Google and then you can type download Jenkins. It will take you to official website of Jenkins, and here you will see multiple options to download Jenkins. You will see version specific to your operating system, or you can choose the WAR file, which I generally prefer. So you see here I have already downloaded it and I will be starting Jenkins server using that. So I go to command prompt and I type in the command java-jar jenkins.war, and it will be starting up the Jenkins server. You see it has created some key here. This would be useful. So first of all we go to browser and then we type in the URL localhost colon 8080. Generally it is using 8080 port, but there is a provision to change it. So right now we are going with the default one, and I'm copying the key from here. Otherwise you can go to the path mentioned on the same page. You can get the key from there also, and then you need to put it here. Once you click on next, it will ask for the plugins that you want to install. So by default it selects some plugins, but if you want to install some more or unselect the ones which are coming by default, so that provision is also there. So if you don't know which ones to keep, which ones not to keep, just go with the default set, right? So right now if I scroll down in front of you, you can see that I am going with all these options for now. For the build tools I do not need these and all, so I am unchecking them. And here I need the pipeline related ones because we are going to explicitly talk about pipelines. Here in source code management, Git is already checked, but we'll be using GitHub, so we can check that also. And here if you scroll down further, related to user management, we are not going to create multiple users, so we can skip them for now, and for notifications also. All right. So this SSH we can keep because this would be required later when we'll be connecting to different machines. So once you click on next, it will be then starting to install all the plugins one by one. So it will be taking some time for the first time. So let these install and then we'll see what to do next. Okay, so once this is done, you will see that it is asking to create the first admin user. So you can choose the username, you can choose the password, and then you can provide your email ID there, and then you can click on the next button. So it will create the admin user for you, and then further you can create as many users you want. After this I click on this next and it says Jenkins is ready, and if I click on this button, so it will be taking me to the dashboard. Now this is the screen that you will be seeing over and again throughout the entire course. So this is all about installation. I will be seeing you in the next video.